What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the video. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I made 7% this week on my evaluation account. So looking at the results here, you can ignore all of this stuff in the back because I'm going to be quite honest, that was actually a different strategy, and these past couple weeks on this trading account has been so mentally struggling for me that I have found something that I know for a fact works better with my psychology. This past week, I didn't experience any psychological traps, any psychological disadvantages that I would have on myself. I was able to continuously execute my strategy and just focus on executing, and had the motivation, and I want to say endurance, but it's not endurance. It's just having the capacity to not be psychologically discharged in my charts and fuck myself over, kind of. So looking at it on the weekly perspective here, you can see that this week I actually made 6.86%, pretty much 7%. My equity is up 4.44%. I don't know why it says that. I think that's because for the week that's how much I've made. I started this week in a drawdown. I was about $9,500, as you can see here, and we went from $9,500 all the way up to $10,000. The balance, anyways, $10,252. So that's about a 7% gain. With those results out of the way, let's just kind of jump into the charts and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So looking at the charts here, we're looking at AUD CAD. So pretty much it's the same exact thing on all. I actually need to take this trade here once the market opens up on Sunday, but it's the same exact thing on all the pairs I'm trading. I've back tested 50 trades, not 100 trades, but 50 trades out of all of my pairs. Before you guys do any judgments, think about this. What's being pushed online from these gurus and online trading sources, the only way you can be successful is if you have a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio or higher. And they talk about win rate, they talk about win rate and risk reward ratio. But think about it. If that was the case, why is there so many losing traders? It's because of psychology. You have to learn yourself and learn your advantages and disadvantages of who you are as a person. I notice psychologically it is hard for me to handle a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. And what I noticed with my strategy with the 4-hour price trap was this. I noticed that every single night before I would go to bed, I would be heavily in profit, and price would be at about 25 to 30 pips in profit. But when I wake up in the morning, I end up in a loss. And why is that? Because my take profits are too big. So what I did was I actually opened up my stop loss to 50 pips, and I'm taking profit. Same thing with twin trading. It's the same concept I've always used. I'm taking two different positions. If I'm risking 1% on a trade, I'm risking 0.5% on each of these. And so I take two positions at the same entry price, same stop loss on both of those positions. However, one position is going to have a take profit at 25 pips. The other position is going to have a take profit at 50 pips, which gives me an overall risk to reward ratio of 0.75 to 1. Now, this is a negative risk to reward ratio. It's just lower than a 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio. The reason why I'm doing this, though, is because psychologically, I am able to continuously stick to this strategy a lot better and not deal with any psychological barriers that I previously experienced using bigger risk to reward ratios. Now, that's quite a lot of information coming at you guys. I can do another video explaining it. I'm trying to make this super broken down for you guys in a short video. But that is all I'm doing, is I am just doing the same concept of trapping price on the 4-hour. As you can see, candle structure, that's what I call it. So I'm looking at these candles because if it comes up on the candle structure for a 4-hour, it's going to be a significant level on the 1-hour. As you can see, previous support on the 1-hour, previous resistance. We got a 1-hour candle that closed out of it. We got a 1-hour candle that went back into it. And then we kind of just took off from there. And then within a couple hours, it hit my first take profit. The reason why I'm doing this is because, one, the psychological capability of me being able to stick to this strategy. And two, I found that I'm able to consistently, through backtesting, I ended up coming with a 70% win rate on this strategy. So on all of the pairs that I have backtested here, some of them, yeah, 65%, some of them even 80%. But over the course of all of the pairs I'm trading, on average, about 70%, which means at the end of it, for AUD CAD, for example, at the end of 56 trades, if I'm risking 1% on each trade, I ended up coming out 10.75% in profit. Multiply that by 28 because that's how many different pairs I'm trading. Leave your judgments down in the comments below. To be honest, I'm not going to listen to you guys because it's been working for me and I know what I'm doing. But multiply that by 28 and then take the average of that, divide it by 28. That's about what you can expect on a 4-month time span. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much been the video. I can do a separate video breaking down, making a PowerPoint, breaking down exactly what I'm doing here. But yeah, I'm doing that on all of these different pairs. As you guys can see, here is the results again. On the weekly basis, 7% up. So I have just 11 days, so pretty much one more week of trading until this evaluation account is over. But I'm in profit right now. If I stay in profit, I'm just going to extend it. To be honest, though, with the backtesting results that I'm seeing and how fast that percentage came to me, and it's continuously to do so, I don't expect anything. I could expect like 2%. I just expect to be in profit every single week moving forward because my take profits are closer than my stop loss, so I have a higher percentage chance of it hitting my take profits than anything, and I'm still profitable overall with this strategy, a lot more than I've been with any other strategy. But yeah, guys, that's a lot of information. I can do a separate video breaking down exactly what I'm doing in detail with my strategy if you guys really want to. But that's been the video. Hope you guys did enjoy. I hope I didn't talk too much. I hope a lot of that information didn't go over your guys' head. But if you did enjoy, please leave a like down below. It lets me know that you guys do enjoy this content. Helps out the channel a lot. Make sure to subscribe to the channel too, because I do upload content like this every single week if I can. But yeah, once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good rest of your day. Have a good rest of your trading week. And you know the drill. I'll see you next time.